And when it comes to API security, and if you look at the traditional security, the good thing is that the whole kind of culture or the approach towards security has changed. Unlike the early days, security is no longer an afterthought, is no longer someone else's problem. Of course, we talk about persona like DevSecOps. How have you seen the whole evolution of API security? Are you happy with the progress that has been made? Because you also come from Nunam, or you're like, no, a lot of work has to be done, or you're like, no, we are in the right trajectory, right direction. All we need to do is just keep the customers, updated with the solutions.
The types of conversations we have, the tone has shifted from what is it to, when, how do I implement it, and how soon do I need it, and what, which APIs I need to focus first. So I think there's a lot less education that needs to be done to convince people that APIs are important and they're everywhere and they power everything that you do. Every single experience, every single application, every single service relies on it. So I think that's well understood in the market. Now the question becomes, all right, well, how do I prioritize it? And also who pays for it, right? Because API security is tricky. You have a lot of different teams that touch it. You have, security folks. You have DevOps, as you mentioned. You have developers who actually fix the problems, and they all look for slightly different things, right? Security teams, might want to see, your dashboards and want to know, hey, are we hitting all WASP top 10 API security risk? Are we protected? While developers want to make sure that the APIs are still performant, right? And they have get the right data and don't overshare. So a lot of different people touch it, but everybody understands the importance, which is great.